Today we are making fried chicken wings. So we're gonna start with raw chicken wings and we are going to season them liberally. Make sure you season on both sides. Once seasoned, place into a bag and season with your favorite hot sauce. Let marinate for at least an hour to overnight. Put some flour in a Ziploc bag. Put your marinated chicken in the bag with the flour. Give it a toss. Take out of the bag. Put into hot oil. Fry until crispy. Keep rotating so that they all get crispy brown. And onto paper towels. Serve and enjoy.